The Mulsanne W.O edition by Mulliner. In 2017, curators at Bentley Motors embarked upon an extraordinary project. Waiting deep in the archives lay a precious piece of Bentley heritage, unseen and undisturbed for over a generation, something carefully conserved. In 1930, W.O. Bentley's ultimate expression of automotive engineering first took to the roads. Considered his finest grand tourer, the Bentley 8-litre. This triumph of engineering was also a celebration of craftsmanship, coach-built by H.J. Mulliner. As we enter our 100th year, we pay homage to our founder and to this exceptional car with the Mulsanne W.O edition by Mulliner. Our craftspeople have embodied the true spirit of the Bentley 8-litre within the world's ultimate handcrafted luxury car. Inspired by Bentley's legacy, showcased by Mulliner, and numbering just 100. At the heart of this tribute, a trophy sourced from the very 8-litre driven and loved by W.O. Bentley himself that makes this Mulsanne especially unique. The 8-litre's original crankshaft has been expertly divided into 100 individual pieces and preserved within a bespoke Mulliner cocktail cabinet. An exquisite piece of Bentley history, taken from one of our most revered automobiles and now embodied in a worthy successor. The Mulsanne W.O edition by Mulliner.